What do you do if you want to find something online? What do you do if you want to find a recipe for a dish online? What do you do if you want to compare multiple products online? We all visit search engine in most of the cases. Yes, we use search, and in this case, majorly Google. So guys, to search, we need to use a keyword that is typed on the search engine. Now let's talk about it. Hello learners, greetings from AISECT Learn. This is your friend and host Mayank Batra for your entire digital marketing program, and I'm very glad to be a part of your digital journey. Today we are going to cover the topic search engine optimization, which is loved by a lot of people, and in today's session we will be focusing on what is a keyword and how does the keywords work. So let's get started with some mind-blowing statistics. Number 1, search engines are the starting point for 68% of online experiences, which means people explore and discover new products with the help of search engines. Number 2, SEO can reduce the cost of customer acquisition by 87.4% according to a study. Now this 87.41% is like big number. For an example, a brand or business is running an advertisement and they can drastically reduce their cost of acquisition of a new customer by 87%. That's big. Number 3, relevant searches influence 39% of the people to make a purchase, which means the search engine makes a huge impact on consumers' minds. So let me drop some mic drop statements right away. SEO will exist until search engines do, and search engines are not going anywhere anytime soon. They are here for the next decade or more, okay, at least 1 to 2 decades, until something, voice search and something else comes up with a very frequent usage. The next mic drop statement that I want to serve to you is 68% of the online activities start with a search engine that I just shared in the mind-blowing statistics. But let me tell you this, you want to know something about a product, you are going to go to Google. You want to know something about food, you are going to go to search engine. You want to know about a place, about a people, about a thing, everything is found on Google, and then your purchasing journey starts from there. So Google, the search engine, is playing very big role in buyer's journey. The next statement, let me tell you this, is YouTube is the second largest search engine for videos majorly, and for which you need good SEO as well. Yes, YouTube videos also need good search engine optimization. So after the website, if you want to focus more on SEO, focus on YouTube SEO, all right? Because there are some factors that will be coming to the point where you will understand why YouTube video needs SEO, how the description and title make a huge difference if we do it right, and so on and so forth. So let's get started with what exactly is a keyword, and according to me, this is the epicenter of the search engine. If you don't understand what is keyword, you won't be able to understand what is content, and you definitely won't be able to understand what is search engine optimization. So what is keyword? According to Google, a word or concept of great significance. But I say it acts as a bridge between the content and the consumer. So yes, it is the epicenter of search engine. Keyword plays a very, very, very vital role on the search engines, because there is nothing else you can do right now to find on Google apart from typing those keywords or speaking those keywords from your smartphone. Now, how do keywords evolve? How can we make sure that we take the best use of keywords? And in this scenario comes keyword research. Now, what exactly is a keyword research? Let me share word by word what exactly keyword research means for us. Keyword research is a practice that search engine optimization people or professionals like us use to find and research alternative search terms. Like people are typing something on Google, we will be able to find alternative terms that can help us to understand what exactly people are typing. And then using those alternative searches and keywords, we create a good keyword database and a strategy around it. You can find these keywords, the alternative search keywords by the people on the search engine by various methods and tools. I will be sharing step by step of all the tools and the best practices, how to find the right keyword, how to find the best alternate keywords, and what are the different tools used. I'll be taking you step by step through that practically. So don't worry about it. Now, before we reach there, let me share the different types of keyword. Yes, there are like 9+ types of keyword, but then I'll be focusing on major 3 types of keyword. Number 1 is exact match keyword. For an example, you want to learn digital marketing from AISECT, right? But then you just write digital or just marketing. So that single word, one word on search engine will be known as exact match. Like you want health insurance or 4-wheeler insurance, but instead what you are typing on Google is insurance. The number of searches are gonna be very high and the results are going to be very vague because you are not precise in your search query, right? The next is phrase match keyword. These consist of 2 to 3 words in a phrase as a phrase, and you can use keywords like 4-wheeler insurance or digital marketing certification or digital marketing online and just digital marketing as well, since these are 2 to 3 words, and you will find that the numbers compared to the exact match searches are pretty less, the results, and you're getting much more relevant results as compared to the exact match. But then comes the very crucial form of keyword, that is long tail keyword. Now long tail are always 3+ words of keywords, like their entire sentence, like how to learn digital marketing online, best digital marketing course in Bhopal, best digital marketing course in India, who is Mayank Batra, who is this, who is that, with an elaborated question in the form of question, how to create this recipe, how to make a Maggie in 2 minutes or something like that. Now all these keywords are known as long tail keywords. They will have very, very, very exact results in front of you for the exact thing that you have searched for. So if you want to be found as your content to the audience, or you want to find much more relevant audience on the search engine, then my dear friend, focus on long tail keywords only. Now let me tell you this, exact match has the maximum competition and long tail keywords have the maximum relevance. Now when I say this keyword relevance, make sure you embed this keyword in your mind, because SEO is all about relevancy, the context. Okay, that was like very heavy. So I hope this session was very fruitful to you guys. Let's meet in another session. Till then, happy learning. Ciao.